A DL extract typically refers to a driver's license extract, which is a document that contains specific information about your driver's license. This information can include your personal details, license status, endorsements, restrictions, and any violations or suspensions. It is often required for various administrative purposes, such as when applying for certain jobs or when moving to a new state or country. If you need to obtain a DL extract, you should contact the relevant Department of Motor Vehicles or licensing authority in your area for specific instructions on how to obtain it. Driving license extract is detailed history of your driving license. 1. Personal details. 2. License category details. 3. Renewal details if renewed after issue. Basically, it is issued for insurance claims and for NOC to other licensing authorities.